Let's just take a look and see. Trying to get it to squeeze in there. Doesn't really want to go in, does it? Okay, we got that part in there. Now we need to try to get it to push up, if we can. Come on, focus in. What is this thing doing? Alright, I think we got it snapped up in there. Oh yeah. Alright, then once you get it pushed up in there, you need to take you a pair of pliers and you need to squeeze it closed like this. Squeeze that closed like that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And let's give it a test run here.